Hey guys, I often watch a movie or drama with my roommate, but I had a lot of things I have to do by today. So I took a seat in the living room and doing my work, and he and my roommate watched the movie in the same place, and then so when I sneezed, they said to me, so bless you, at the same moment. So it's interesting, that's funny. Maybe Canadian or native speakers often say to someone, bless you, when someone sneezed. It kind of looks お大事に in Japanese, but it's completely different. I had a good experience. Yeah, that was funny. Yes. See you. Have a good night.